Hello and welcome to another episode of Ari's Glamorous channel, and in this video I'll be talking about two products which already I have reviewed in this channel. Just two products which I have already reviewed in this channel. I have tried it and I have shown the demo on the channel, and also I have shown the visible results on the videos which I already made about these two products. So if you want to check that, all the links will be given in the description box below and will be linked at the I button above and will be linked on the screen at the end of this video. So if you haven't seen those videos, go and check it out. So it will be better for you to understand these videos. The product one I will be talking about is from the brand of Monsa. This is the black charcoal pillow mask, or you can basically tell it a charcoal pillow mask, which is one of my favorite from the brand of Monsa. And from the same brand we are comparing the Monsa Gold Collagen Peel Off Mask, and this is also from the same brand, and this is the one which I got very recently, like about 8 months back. And this is the one which I think I have been using about 3 years, and this is my second pack going on, I think more than 3 years. So I'll be doing comparison between the two from the same brand because I thought this is too good and I should go with Monsa, and I've used a lot of Monsa products like the Monsa Under Eye Collagen marks, and I felt that was really good and I have purchased it again and again. So I thought all products from Monsa will be great, but it's not always the truth. So I'll be going in a differentiation about both of these products. I thought this Monsa collagen peel off mask will be something very thick and that will remove all the blackheads and whiteheads from my skin, but that's not true. Collagen works very differently than charcoal. So let's get into the differentiation, and if you wanted to see the detailed review on how to use both this product, are given in our two different separate videos with visible results on the video in the link below, and also you can check in the I button and on the screen at the end of this video. You can check out our channel too for this. So before going on the comparison of these videos, do subscribe to our channel to support us and get all the notification. You have to click on the bell icon and also all notification button on the bell icon to get all the notification from our channel. So let's get started to this video. So the first difference that obviously is about the packaging, which I don't have to say. This is a black packaging because it constitutes the main ingredient is charcoal. This is a golden packaging because it constitutes the main ingredient collagen. And the pricing of both of this are like, this price is 1200 rupees, and the shelf life of both of these are 3 years, and the content is 100. This is 100 ml packaging, this is 120 ml packaging for 1200 rupees. This is 100 ml packaging for about, I think, 1000 rupees. So I'll just write it over here. Now first of all, both the packagings are really good and travel friendly. When you open this, you get something like this, which I've used a lot, as you can understand. You have a tip-top packaging over here. So you have a tip-top packaging and the product inside is black in color. So inside this also you have the same kind of packaging. So over here, and that also comes with this tip-top packaging, and the product inside is golden in color, which you can see. So a similar kind of packaging both of this has. So the difference, now coming up to the difference after using this product. First of all, the product, which is charcoal based, cleans the blackheads very nicely, and you should definitely go with this if you have a blackhead issues. Whiteheads very nicely, you can definitely check the whiteheads and blackheads on the peel off when you peel it off. So this really works great as it claims for blackheads and whiteheads. Now as collagen, this is something, if you don't suffer with lot of blackhead issues, then you can definitely go with this. I have also reviewed products on Himalaya orange peel off marks, and also the one from Body Care orange peel off mark. Those were very gentle. I feel this is quite not so gentle like them, but yeah, this is not so harsh like the charcoal one, which pains more. And this, I feel that You can go with this if you are someone who want to like you have very less of blackheads and you want to remove it twice or thrice a week, then you can definitely go with this. And if you think that you have blackhead and you are removing only once a month or twice a month maximum, then you should go with this, because this is not recommended to be used every week, or it is not recommended to be used most of the days in a month. So this is quite harsh in your skin, so when you peel it off, it pains a lot. Compared to this pains very rare, because peel off marks, obviously it will give you a little pain on your skin, but this is compared to charcoal is very less painful. So you can definitely go with this. And if you think that you want something which you will use for after every 2 days, and you have a hectic lifestyle, you need to go out every day and go in the pollution every day, and you get blackheads clogged in your skin every day, and from there you get acne and all these things, then definitely go with this. You can go with the body care one, orange peel off marks. You can go with the Himalaya orange peel off marks, that all will also work great. You can definitely go with this, use this twice a week and remove your blackheads, and then apply your cream. That will be so very nice, and you will not have the issues of acne and blackheads and clogged pores. And also on a long run, you will not face the issue of anti-aging. So this can really work great. As you all know, collagen has the property of anti-aging property into it, so it really works great on that case. But for charcoal, it is something that will purify your skin, remove the dirt from your skin, melanin production on your skin, balance it, the pH balance on your skin, but that you cannot use for more than twice a month. So according to your need, you have to select the products. According to my needs, I don't like go so much in pollution, and I don't get a lot of blackheads in my skin for day-to-day basis. So in that case, I go with this black charcoal, and I really love it. And in a month, I use it once. And if it is like the month of festive and all, you need to go out a lot for shopping and roaming, and then this can work great for twice a month, but not more than that. I don't use it, and it will cause on a long run, if you use peel off mask for more times, like this kind of harsh charcoal peel off mask on your skin for such long time and such small intervals of time, like every week and twice a week, then your skin will definitely get tiny scratches into it, and wear and tears will occur, and premature aging will definitely occur on your skin. So be careful about it. Go according to your need and want. And if you are someone who is below 18 years, then don't go with any of this. And if you think then you need to go with some peel off mask, then for you the best one I can suggest is from the Himalaya orange peel off mask. From the body care, you can go with the orange peel off mask, you can go with the neem peel off mask, and it also has, I think, some other variant of peel off masks. You can go with those gentle peel off masks which will not cause any wear and tear on your skin. And mostly people under 18 doesn't get so much blackheads issues and this issues, because blackheads or open pores are signs of aging. So in that case, those mild peel off masks can work more great for their skin. And even though if you are 18 or 19 and you are above 18, then you are facing the issue of getting pores stuck every day, and it's not going through scrubbing and face wash, then you are applying your night cream and sleeping or applying your makeup, it might cause more harm to your skin. Then for that case, you can definitely go with this and apply it in every week or once or twice a week. So those were all the reviews about this product. Go accordingly. There is not a bad product, there is not a good product. It is just my opinion that this works great for me according to my skin type, and also on the issues of blackheads. So it might work for you great, it might work for you great. It is depending on you which will work great for you. So depending on that factor, you go and select the product you like. There is no bad or good product suggested. So that is just my opinion on my acne oily skin type. So go and try according to need of your, go and purchase the products. And if you go online, you will get a lot of discounts on the MRPs of this product. And if you go offline, I don't know whether the shopkeeper will give you much of the discounts or not. So definitely go for online, available Monster products available everywhere, so go and get it. And yeah, if you want us to make any other videos, any other topic or any other product reviews, then do comment us below and write us down about this video or any other video content you wanted us to make, to share it with all your friends, to like this video if you felt it a little helpful for yourself, and share it with those who really suffer with these blackhead issues and who really need something for their premature aging. This can work really great. Obviously, stay safe in this COVID-19 issues. Click the subscribe button and the bell icon beside it, so you get notified whenever we upload a new video. And yeah, that was all for this video, the comparison video of both this Manza product, which are peel off masks. So you stay blessed, stay happy, and bye bye.